Tired of printing, editing, scanning, and signing documents the old-fashioned way? This video will show you how to seamlessly edit and sign a document entirely within Docusign, streamlining your workflow from start to finish. First, upload the document you want to edit directly into your Docusign account. Once uploaded, locate the document and click the Edit button, which you will see in the upper right corner. This opens the editing options. Now, you can add text, insert checkboxes, and make any necessary adjustments using Docusign's built-in editing tools. Add and position these elements precisely where you need them in the document. Next, drag and drop a signature field where you need to sign the document. Choose from a variety of pre-designed signatures, or create your own unique signature style and adopt your signature. Once you're happy with all the edits and have added your signature, click the Finish button in the upper right corner. Your document is now both edited and signed. Docusign automatically saves the finalized version, making it easy to download, share, and keep organized. This will save you so much time.